This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Destination 42 condo is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 45 feet 5 inches in length and features a sandstone interior, sleeps 9, refrigerator, awning, water heater, microwave, TV, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, loft. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Coachmen Catalina Destination 42 condo is 12,903 pounds. This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Destination 42 condo. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.